So for today's video, it's gonna be a cumulative haul. Most of the stuff is gonna be during the Black Friday sale, or the stuff I purchased during the past a little bit that I couldn't resist. The next two products are a little bit impulse buy, but also not. The first one being the Paradox. It's a pretty new launch. Initially, when I tried it in the store, I wasn't too keen about the scent. Typically, I prefer something very light, fresh, a little bit floral. For reference, Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet is my all-time favorite. Like, that's my happy scent. This one is not a similar scent with Libre from YSL, but to me, it's a similar experience where initially I'm not keen to it. I find it's a little either too floral or like almost too sour, if that makes any sense. I was like, not for me. Till the more I smell it, the more I'm drawn to it. Like, to the point every time if I have a chance to go to the store, I want to spray it all over me. I realized I really enjoy the scent, which brings us to other items later on. In previous videos, I mentioned I'm a huge fan of those mini bottles fragrances. The thing is that I'm not sure if I wasn't paying attention the past years or I just purely missed it. To me, all the little bottles I own were gift with purchases. So there weren't many brands are selling the mini bottles that's the actual shape. So it's kind of like fun collecting them. So whenever there is an event in the store or there is a coupon code available online, I will go for it if that's the scent I like. This year, when I realized I like the scent and I saw this kit online, I was like, oh my god, that's so cute. Because this kit is $40, where the travel size is $40 already. So pretty much this guy is some sort of gift with purchases. So I was like, that's so cute, I need it. The thing was, when I first saw it online, I was like, oh my god, so cute. Maybe there will be another sale going on. Because I heard Sephora will have a different fragrance sale in December. So I was like, I'll wait. And then guess what? I couldn't find it anymore. Like, the item disappeared. And all of a sudden I was like panicking. I was like, oh my god, I just missed it. Like, I had the chance but I missed it. So funny enough, when I saw it in store, I was like, yes, it's still available. So without even thinking, I just go through till and bought it. And now I'm happy I have it. And then guess what I received in the mail today? It's a 20% off coupon at Sephora. It is a one-time use only, so you probably have to like accumulate all the stuff and make sure one store has everything you wanted. It almost feels like, well, if you forget to buy anything during the VIB sale, here's your final chance. As I'm filming this, the Prada mini kit that I just showed you is available online now. I don't know what happened. Maybe they just want to create that urgency and I fell for it, of course. So, similarly, I got this guy. For this guy, I haven't seen it online yet. Maybe it will come later. There is a duo for the Very Good Girl and the Good Girl available in the little kit. I find compared to that little duo, this is a better deal. Because that guy is $52, this one is $62. So for another $10, you get one more. I wasn't checking because I thought it should be just the regular lines. I wasn't anticipating the third one is the Glam. For the Very Good Girl Glam, it is a warmer, spicier scent. I want to say that was a limited edition back in the summer, if not earlier. So that's the pink glittery hill. I didn't know. Now I'm so happy, so happy about this guy because it's supposed to be a limited edition scent. Same thing with this guy. I saw it in store and I was like, let me put it in my love list. And then I couldn't find it online. So I was like, oh, I should have just bought it in the store. So the next time I go to the store, I was like, mine. Either of those are on sale, but I grabbed them anyway. But now when I go to Sephora's website, I realized a lot of brand is doing those mini ones this year. I saw there is another Gucci one, there is a Versace one, so I guess it's not necessarily a gift with a purchase or like not for sale thing anymore. Apparently they are selling it. On the topic of mini fragrances, I don't think this is available at Sephora, but I got it at Shoppers Drug Mart. This is the Lancome 5 mini fragrance set. I really enjoy the dark dresser, the Idole, and the La Vie Belle. So I don't mind the dresser, and I haven't even tried the Miracle just yet. So I find if I like 3-4 out of the 5, might as well. If you haven't watched any of my videos before, I did put out 2-3 different videos about Shoppers Drug Mart. So if you are in Canada, you will have access to Shoppers Drug Mart. Their beauty boutique is pretty decent now. They carry a lot of different brands, and honestly, Shoppers Drug Mart has the best point system. So each Black Friday, they will have a super bonus redemption where you get additional dollars off when you redeem your points. To support this event, they offered a 20 times of the points for a week prior to the Black Friday in case you want to earn more points. And then since Black Friday till the following Wednesday, you will enjoy the super bonus redemption. So I'm pretty sure I did a couple purchases during the 20 times of the points and did one redemption as well. So this is from Shoppers Drug Mart. I really like it. When I have the realization of I'm obsessed with mini fragrances, and I guess all the brand realize people loving it, they just come out endless of the sets. We're almost there, I promise. I also get the trio from YSL. I'm always a huge fan of the Mont Paris, and the Black Opium is my fall-winter favorite scent, so it only has the Libre left. When it first came out, I wasn't too keen about it like a couple years ago, and then people loving this scent, and then they start coming out with different concentrations, and I wasn't still a huge fan of it. Until recently, I want to say just around the time when I realized I like the Prada Paradox, I started liking this scent. I don't know what it is. When people wearing this scent walking past me, I instantly want to know what they're wearing. Like I can pick it up and I like the scent. And then I feel like, maybe just because other people wearing it smells good, it's not wearing well on me. So I started trying it on my skin, trying it on my clothes, and I like it. And I was like, oh my god. I don't know what happened to my body, but I guess as the year passed by, your age changes, your preference changes too. The only thing is that this is a travel bottle of the Libre. There is another set with a full-size mascara and a mini bottle of the Libre. We'll see. I haven't seen it in the store yet, and I don't know if I want to order it online. So it's on my list. I don't know yet. I also ordered a acrylic shelf from Amazon, so I want to organize my mini fragrances since I went nuts on them. And I will make a video for you. On the topic of fragrance, I swear this is the last one, but it's not a mini, it's a full size. So this is the 50ml Paradox from Prada. Are you surprised at this point? So for this kit, it has a 50ml bottle and it has a travel size on the side too. It's pretty much the same price as the 50ml bottle by itself, and then you get the travel size for free. But you can see, the obsession is real. Last but not least, I got some Stila eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow. I always enjoy liquid shadows from Stila. I heard recently they came out with new eyeliners and lip products, and I'm planning on making a full face Stila makeup if I have enough. So stay tuned for that. So I got one kit called Inner Glow. It has 2 glitter glow liquid eyeshadow. So for the liquid eyeshadows from Stila, it comes in 3 different finishes. It's glitter and glow, Glisten and Glow and Shimmer and Glow, I believe. From my experience, the Glitter and Glow has bigger, more noticeable glitters. It's super smooth and easy to blend out. You won't feel super chunky or flaky. So for the kit Inner Glow, it comes in with 2 full size of the Glitter and Glow. I want to say both of the shades are new shade, but I can't tell for sure. The Coral Crush is a beautiful coral shade, and the Foxy Lady is almost like a duochrome, but mainly silver type of shade. I can't wait to try them on my lid. The other one called Gift of Light. It has 3 mini of the liquid eyeshadows. So for this kit, it has 1 of each different finishes. As you can see in the swatches, the Shimmer and Glow is more of like a metallic finish. The Glisten and Glow is a finer glitter. And the Glitter Glow is more sparkly ones. I like how they designed the little pack as a gift pack. You can just directly give this little kit to somebody, or if you decide to break it down, each individual one has a little tag on the side for you to write to and from. I find it's a very thoughtful design. Me personally is a huge fan of the Glisten and Glow finish, so it's more everyday friendly. That's pretty much it for the haul. I know I went a little ham on story time today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more similar content. If you haven't watched the part 1, I will put it over here. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you in that video. Bye.